Yo, it's morning time, Friday morning. We are going camping. First, I gotta go to work. So let's knock that out the way, and then we're gonna meet back up. Bro, look at me in my mess. We're gonna meet back up with wifey at the crib. The plan is McIntosh Park. McIntosh Park is located close to Whitesville, Georgia. Not too far off from Carrollton. It seems like it said online that it was a primitive location for camping. We're going to set up for 2 nights, 1 day, Friday night through Saturday, and then wake up Sunday and head back. So we'll take y'all back to the apartment, show y'all what we got, and go ahead and start driving down there. Welcome back to the spot. Got some hard clothes set up here. A little bit of my bag. Got some clothes, knife, wallet, deodorant, toothbrush, some cologne. On the feeties, Vapor Max Fly Knits. Got the cargos on. Long T 43X. Bringing a book, battery packs, foods, coolers, and then here we go. Toothbrush, hand sanitizers. We got the tent, mattress. What else in here, babe? Sunglasses.
Hand sanitizer, baby wipes, shower wipes, lighter.
All the good stuff. Cooler. Car loaded up. Car loaded up. Oh yeah.
Got the milk.
Oh. Okay. Toilet.
Like the same height, you know? You can stay there like.
Is your sister there? Jake is there?
She's in the car with her boyfriend, actually.
Yeah, they're in a separate
They're all
car.
separate cars.
Oh, okay. I was just gonna say hello.
Campsite. Campfire there. Everybody over here. Pops, Santi, my girl, my sister. They together. Where my mom at?
A place for us to put a fire.
Yeah, I know, right? It's perfect. Right on the water. Yes, we have to climb those rocks. Guess they put us on the beach. Ooh. Say hey, Ma. Bag. We went to go look for the fire stuff for Kroger and for the off spray, and I was looking for the bracelets. Oh, let's get down to the, oh my gosh, this is like real beach sand. Holy shit. Oh, this is nice. Butterflies. They called us over here for the butterflies. Look at my Ferris. Oh, this is so cool. Holy shit. Oh, the sand's gonna get all in my shoes. What up, boy?
There's so many. We came and they're all like in a little tower and they just all flew up at the same time.
You like it?
Yeah, where are we gonna? ASMR.
Red ants everywhere.
Oh yeah, look at the fire.
Bam! Only took
Like
15, 20. This shit was not bending right. But you know, we got it up. It's pretty sturdy.
It was me.
Yeah, it was her. I won't lie. Can't never lie about it. It's that woman. This part, I saw this little piece goes in the middle through it, and then it'll go, I guess, over for the rain.
Yeah, we should have to stop.
You might not want this in here.
Is this gonna fit in there? This little hole.
Should we not blow it in and stop? That's what I thought.
I just I had to blow the shit up, and then it wouldn't fit, obviously. Toilet? Blind? Man, that is a big tent, though. Whoa.
I'll definitely fit all 6 of
No,
us.
that's
We get
valid.
pushing there.
But this is crispy quality right here. Look at you. Ooh, the pigtail.
I got a haircut, what, like a week and a half ago? I wasn't even going back fast, bro. Yeah. That's why I stopped going.
Smokey. Look at that, bro. What's up, boy? What's up, boy? What's up, boy? Yeah, we up high. Damn, you're breathing like a fucking big one. Oh. Ooh. Oh, okay. Not a bee that'll kill me, I don't think. Like a lookout spot. Ooh.
Setting up camp. Oh, I feel like Arthur Morgan.
Yeah. Trying to see if we can catch some trout. Supposedly there's trout and bass in here. That's a nice setup, bro.
Looking at all the places I get discounts through my job, and then I get discounts on tickets, but it was still.
It's kind of bougie camping, not gonna lie. It's only because we with the whole family. Now, when we start going on our solo camping trips, we not gonna have all this. So this is just great. Got a portable grill.
You know?
How much was that?
$25 on
Oh
Amazon.
shit, that's cheap.
And it comes with a little
Thank you.
sleeve. So once you're done, you swipe it, you clean it off, and you put it inside the little sleeve, and it looks like a little folder.
Kebabbing? Nice. Skewing. That's valid. Wow, it got dark. Ooh, you're shining.
Threw my spear at it.
Oh no, don't do that.
I'm not. I'd be sad.
Where?
Oh my goodness, that is insane. Actually, we just talked about that last night,
Yep,
didn't
sure
we?
did.
I was like, didn't you like crash a car or something?
Take a trailer down there and take a bite.
She's busting. Roasting weenies. Coming up on like 10:30, 11 o'clock. We starting to put up all the food. Fire's getting smaller. Getting tired. Faded, had a great time. Bless you. Bless you. I don't know, I got on the 1X right now. Just looks regular. 5X looks 10 times worse. Ooh. Ooh. Thank you. Mattress set up with the pillows. I gotta move the damn manual instruction out the way. Bag there, water, light, no shoes in the tent. We gotta go get a garbage bag. I don't want to leave them outside, but I am gonna leave them outside. We're just gonna put them in the garbage bag. Fire's almost out. They set up their divider. It's literally a big ass 2-person camp. That's a great first night camping. 10 out of 10 night.
10 out of 10?
I say 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
Yeah. Actually, that is all the way.
Oh,
Yeah, it's not bad. It's not too bad. We're in the tent now.
we're in the tent.
Laid up. Bonnet on. Great day. There's some good space in here. I mean, I'm 5'9", 5'10" on a great day. And I mean, my toes are touching, not gonna lie. But I curl up. I like to sleep on the side. Get spooned. So it's chill. It's yeah, it's like really spacious, not gonna lie. Got space for bags in the corners. Light up top. This is clutch with the little net there. You can see out. Moon there. Oh, where'd you, what? Moon there. Yeah, there it is. Good vibe, not gonna lie. And there's like slide shades everywhere, but it's hot with the rain thing on. So we moved it halfway to the backside. Air flowing through. Shit's good. So we about to get to bed. This is like 12:30. So see y'all in the morning. Shit's like 2, 3 a.m. Woke up with a headache, got some weed and shit. Feeling better. Now it's raining, so I had to pull out rain coat over the top. Early morning, the rain has stopped. Slept mad good. Beauty out. A little wet up top. And this shit, man. This $40 Amazon tent held up good as hell. Down. What's up, boy?
Yeah?
Yeah.
Did you do everything?
I just did my white
Okay.
and my little toner.
Smart.
And then just got to do my moisturizer.
Oh,
And I
period.
have sunscreen, but like it's cloudy.
Yeah.
She over there exploring. Had our morning coffee like Arthur Morgan. Columbia PFG got me tatted up, huh? I'm supposed to be making the bacon. I keep getting distracted, not gonna lie. Where you wanna go, bro? I bet you can find a good hiking stick out here, like a big ass hiking stick. Who got crushed?
An egg.
Yeah. Show was waiting on you to do some. Oh.
Great idea, Jaylene. Using that noggin.
It's cold winds. Looks like it's gonna rain again soon. Let's see, wind blowing that way, current coming this way. Hoot.
You got him. Tighten up the drag. Tighten up the drag. What kind of fish that is?
Oh, so that he's already big.
Yeah, something got him. That wasn't from the hook.
Successful big catch. We released him back though. I'm not gonna keep that and eat that. He would fucked up. But we should. Next time we catch one that big, we're gonna cut him up. We're gonna eat. Oh, I'm cool. Bro, we out here walking Smokey. He keeps embarrassing us. We keep running into strangers and and
Ari
having
had
nice
to pick his ass
combos.
up.
Yeah,
He is digging his nails into my back.
trying to get some butt. That's all it is. It's just these other dogs out here.
We need to keep walking so people
Yeah.
can see the dog.
No vehicles. This is nice, bro. Rushing water, and it sounds like it's going crazy down this way. Let's go figure that out. Who's camping? Oh yeah.
His shirt off.
Oh my god, this is tough. Big hole. Careful, Smokey.
It even goes further. That'd be terrible.
Yeah.
Especially with your
Wow.
gimbal.
This just changed the whole game.
You know, I got him that gimbal a year and a half
He told me.
ago, and he opened it yesterday.
I have no excuse. Oh shit. Look, bruh. Dual capture.
Oh wow!
Smokey broke the leash while we were on it. Went to go chase down the dogs. I had to run full speed. Huss, 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 huss. Scooped him up.
Like, I'm shocked it didn't.
Brought
spill.
him back. Now we got him on a paracord rope. What you got? Batty shot a clock.
This was like, look, this was like this loose, just laying on the side.
Oh my god.
I'm so shocked it didn't spill.
The drunkenness.
I'm giving Shelby from the Polar Express.
Look at that horse. It's okay, that's a horse.
This is so good. I feel like if I keep eating it, I'm gonna eat the whole thing.
Oh, there you go.
Okay.
My trowel. Caught my bag of roasting weenies. Team W camping trip, y'all. After this, we're gonna tear down camp and start packing up. Camp tore down. We're going to Tahiti. W camping trip. First time camping. We did it real comfy, real cozy, real bougie. I mean, it was great. Peak time. Fishing, reading, cooking, walking, pulling it down. We didn't play no games though.
We didn't.
We didn't even have time.
We read.
But
I did some
relaxation.
coloring.
Oh yeah, coloring. We didn't make bracelets either.
Yeah.
Gotta do that. Next time.
Yeah, next time we have
Next
more
one.
time, we'll have more activities.
Yeah.
We did a good amount.
This is a great first one, yeah. For
Yeah,
sure.
it was fun. Everybody enjoyed